Hello, everybody. This is Mr. Wang, graduated from Peking University, majored in math. Our channel keeps sharing our original thoughts about Canadian way and the American way of learning mathematics in elementary school. And today, let's talk about the Canadian math, what we learned at grade 3, G3. And our material is from the Ontario Curriculum Math, this file, the 2020 version, the latest version. So it's the newest version. And then in the data section, one point impressed me a lot because they introduced tree diagram. Wow, this is so profound because it's related to the multiplication principle, which is not quite common in our everyday life. And they list an example about if we choose from these two figures, for example, a circle, a rectangle, a triangle, and a hexagon, and we choose one figure from these four, and then we choose one color. We color it red or blue or green, and then we choose its size. We can decide the figure is big or small. So after all these choices, how many different shapes or how many different figures can we generate or draw? The answer is 24, and the formula is exactly these four figures and three colors and two sizes, and the 4, 3, and 2. What's drawing them is not addition, it's multiplication. It's 4 times 3 times 2 equals 24, which is very interesting because this is so profound in uh, the system about how to count quicker and more accurately. There is a series of um, knowledge called the multiplication principle, which is exactly multiply the numbers together. And why do we multiply these numbers together? We use the tree diagram to understand totally. So this is very interesting because in China, the school math system, they do not teach the tree diagram. It's totally the the math Olympiad content. So here in Canada, they ask students in grade 3 to understand an example and a method of tree diagram like this. So which we must pay attention to because this is different from, at this point, it's different from the Chinese math teaching. And besides, this is a very difficult example. In China, the textbook the Shanghai city use is that their own textbook. In their textbook, there is some optional learning material about the tree diagram, but that's only about 2 steps. But this example in Canada is 3 steps. 3 steps is way more complicated than 2 steps, than two-step example. So, which means that this example and the requirement of Canada is really high. So we need to pay attention about these kind of questions. Okay, so that's what Mr. Wang discovered after analyzing the Ontario curriculum, the latest file, and what we should pay attention to the grade 3 learning material, the tree diagram, which is a tool for us to understand multiplication principle, and we should really pay attention to this. And thanks for your support. Hope today's video will help you. I'm Mr. Wang, graduated from Peking University, majored in math. And see you in next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.